go to your dashboard and then scroll down to the Earn button. Click on the Earn button and then click on Memberships. And then you scroll down and then you see this part written resources. You will find all those resources that YouTube has put for you there about memberships. They are called playbooks. Go download all these playbooks. They are in PDF. Download these playbooks. They have some very interesting resources. If you're a monetized channel, go and download these things. The only one you can't download is this third-party integration for channel memberships. That is a website link, but you can click on it. But go and download all these other things and read them. You have a playbook on designing a membership, you have a playbook on launching a membership, and you have a playbook on maintaining and growing a membership. Those are the resources you need. And I think these resources are very important. I think this is what YouTube is using to teach people how to maintain memberships. So download those 3 documents and have them somewhere handy. Even if you're a channel that has created memberships, I want you to even if you're a channel that has memberships, just download that thing because it will help you refine your memberships. It will help you even improve your memberships. It will help you scale down your membership in case there's a problem you want to solve a problem on a membership. It will help you scale down that membership as well. So go and download those 3 documents so that you can use them for your purposes.